Assalamualaikum. I'm Dr. Mojammel Haq, DHMS Homeopath. Today I will discuss a very important topic about the best homemade solution for prickly heat or heat rash. You know, prickly heat or heat rash is very irritable and sometimes it may be infectious. So we should take care of this. To make the best solution for prickly heat or heat rash, we need 3 homeopathic medicines. One is Echinacea mother tincture, second one is Calendula mother tincture, and third one is Chamomilla mother tincture. Take 5 ml of Echinacea mother tincture, 5 ml of Calendula mother tincture, and 5 ml of Chamomilla mother tincture in a 100 ml bottle, and mix 30 ml of drinking water with the mixture. After mixing these 3 medicines and with water, jug the bottle very well. It should be applied externally by cotton, and before every use, jug the bottle very well. Take some medicines from the bottle in a sieve, wet some cotton with the medicine and apply externally on the affected parts. After every use, it is best to preserve it in refrigerator. This solution acts very fast for prickly heat or heat rash, and obviously for any kind of infection. Please apply this 3 times per day, and it should be used externally only. Please try it.